YouTube world, Mac Daddy 1911A1 here with the Shade Tree Survivalist. That was the culprit. Got it out, got the new one on, and it does make a little bit of a racket. But it didn't really feel that bad. But yeah, I got it all apart. Got the new one in there. We're fixing to take it on the road test and see if it's still roaring. All right. Put some shades on. All right. Let me see. Release the parking brake. I gotta get that damn caliper squared away. I had to compress it with a big C-clamp. Oh, hood just don't look. Let me double check that right quick. All right. Let's see what we can do. We're just driving down the drive. Let's see if that roar is gone. All right. Brake drag. Sounds like it's dragging just a little bit. That's the thing, you gotta compress that thing. It may not be. Roar is gone though. I need to pull that thing back off just to double check it. Brakes on there. Definitely sounds like it's dragging. Now that I think about it, it may be the rear brake as I applied the piss side and the parking brake. I just have to jack it up, turn it, and see which one's dragging a little bit. I double checked all my work before I reassembled it. Put the tire and all back on, torqued everything down correctly with a big damn torque wrench. Hell, it ain't pulling left to right, but the steering wheel ain't quite straight. Ain't gonna drive it a hell of a lot until we get that front end of mine, but it don't alter it when I hit the damn brakes. I'm wondering if it may be that damn parking brake dragging back there. Anywho, it came out all right. I didn't realize the damn flash was on the damn thing. That's probably the reason it was looking hazy as all get out. But anywho, we are just about back at the house. It may be just that parking brake. I'm gonna check that out and see what the deal is, and that'll be it. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all be good. Take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you later.